So, hey guys, good morning. It's Tuesday and actually mag-half day ako today kasi meron kaming meeting sa barangay. So, yun guys, samahan nyo ako mag-prepare guys. So, stay tuned guys. So, as what you have noticed guys, nahirapan ako magsara ng mosquito net ko. So, actually, medyo matagal na din kasi ito. So, kailangan na siyang palitan. Charot. So, yan guys, stay tuned guys. So, yan guys, tapos na ako maligo. So, samahan nyo muna ako mag-prepare guys. So, stay tuned guys. So, yan guys, before anything else, huwag natin kalimutan na buksan yung bintana muna kasi para at least maging maliwalas yung paligid. So, yan guys. So, yan guys, as a daily routine, maglalagay lang ako ng sunscreen and maglalagay ako ng powder and lip tint. So, yan guys. So, dyan lang muna kayo guys. Stay tuned guys. So, yun guys, tapos na ako mag-ayos. So, maglalagay lang ako ng cologne guys. So, kalimutan na natin lahat. Wag lang yung cologne, charot. So, anyway guys, stay tuned guys. So, yan guys, tapos na ako mag-prepare. So, pupunta na tayo sa work guys. So, outfit check muna tayo guys. Since it's Tuesday, white t-shirt yung uniform namin today. So, let's go guys. So, yan guys, nandito na ako sa work. So, mag-work lang muna ako guys kasi half day lang ako today. Kasi after ko mag-lunch, diretso na kami sa meeting. So, actually, sa barangay yung meeting namin. So, kailangan ko talagang umatan. So, yan guys. So, samahan nyo muna ako mag-work guys. So, as what you have noticed, hindi na ako nag-breakfast kasi tapos na ako mag-breakfast. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kasi medyo na busy lang. So, yun guys. Mag-work lang muna tayo. So, stay tuned guys. guys, nandito na kami sa meeting place. So, thank you guys for watching. Bye guys!